Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here from Huepar. It's going to be a laser level. So it comes with, okay, box is empty. It comes with our tripod here, which is a nice little tripod. It's kind of cool actually, pretty cute. And it's got the normal traditional screw on top and it opens up like that. And you can go up to this height here. You're not, it's maybe a couple of feet high of a tripod, which is good for this. It'll give it nice stability for sure. Open that up, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my little table I have over here. And then here is our laser level. So this is it here. You can see it's got the screw on the bottom here. If we open it up here, I guess this is probably where the battery is. It's got two AA super alkaline batteries already in there, kind of nice. And then we have our lock and unlock button here. So there it's unlocked and there it's locked into place. So that would be if we wanted to put a line, you can see there's a line on there. I can kind of move it and put it where I want. Or if I unlock it, then it's gonna be at the level mark. So then it wants to be level. So that's kind of how that works there. I guess this is the power on the top to make it go. I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and screw it on here and we'll give this thing a go. So here onto the one there, we'll screw it on. Hopefully I'm screwing it in the right place. I am. And then you can see that it comes with a little level indicator right there as well, so you can kind of. So then I can go and aim it wherever it needs to be to make it level. And I would set it at the right height, obviously. But there we go. So now we have a level mark. So we could do some, if I was hanging a picture on the wall or something like that, I could make sure it's level all the way and make it extremely square on there. So that's what's cool about this one here. It gives you that. So now it's level. You can see if I shake it, it's always going to go back to its place. I can aim it somewhere else and it'll always end up lined up. Oh, you guys can't really see it, but here it is right here. It's on the tripod on my table. And so I can adjust certain things here. I guess this lets me rotate it here. And this is an up and down, which you see when it's flashing like that, that means it's not on level, it has to be level. So if I was going to go and hang up like this, I want like a bar, or that's what I'm actually doing today. Putting these types of things in here, the little cable holders. And so if I want my cable holder to be exactly straight up and down, I will just put it right there. So that's what it will be, to hide the cable. So how cool is that? So really nice to have a laser level. And then if I just wanted a laser line, I could just put it into locked position and then I can aim it wherever I want. And it'll just be a laser line. So then it won't flash if it gets out of a square. So how cool is that? Really nice little setup here. And you can adjust the height a little bit with these, but you could also just put it on different tables or put it on different things. It's a laser. I mean, it's gonna get all the way across the room and it'll shine anywhere. I mean, I have the sun on and I have lights in this room and you can see it, it's bright. So really cool, nice little device and pretty light too. So that's good. So it makes it nice and portable for sure. So totally awesome, thumbs up for sure.